Hello students, today I am discussing class 9 chapter 3 coordinate geometry. I am discussing hot questions with you. Plot the point A, coordinates of A is 1 and minus 3, and B point whose coordinate is 5 and 4. First we are going to represent these coordinates on a Cartesian plane. Here you can see students, A point 1 and minus 3, it lies in fourth quadrant, and second B whose coordinate are 5 and 4, both are positive, so they lies in first quadrant. After that we are going to give the answers. Draw a line segment with these points. Write the coordinates of a point on this line segment AB. Here you can see students, when we join A and B, here you can see on x-axis we get coordinates. This is C 2.7 and 0. And next, second question. Extend these line segment and write the coordinates of a point on this line which lies outside the line AB. Here students you can see, when we join A and B, we get coordinate, this is 2.7 and 0. So when we extend this line, here we get coordinates D, point D, coordinates of D is 0 and minus 4.7. So in this way we are able to give the answer. Now I am discussing next question with you students. Here you are able to see, plot the points 2, 0, A point coordinates of A is 2, 0, B point coordinates of B is 5, 0, and C point 5, 3. Find the coordinates of the point D such that ABCD is a square. We know that all sides of squares are equal. First we need to plot 2, 0 point. This is 2 and 0. This is A point students. 2 and 0. B point we are going to represent it. This is 5 and 0 students. This is 5 and 0, 5 and 0, and C point 5, 3. This is 5 and 3. So this is a square, all the sides are equal. So when we join them, we get one square. If we need to find coordinates of point D, we can say it is 2, 3. So this is a square, coordinates of D is 2, 3. Students, in this way we can represent all the points. Hope you understand it.